burns, snaps in 2 days, cannot even fast charge. So what is the point of using any other cable when you can just use Magic John's brand new 4-in-1 240 watt fast charging cable that comes with Lightning, USB, and 2 additional Type-C ports, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. 240 watt fast charging means you can transfer data, use it for years, and charge any device that you have at maximum support speeds at all times. For an old iPhone, that's 20, new iPhone 30, the newest iPhone going to be 45, and any other device at up to 240, as long as your charger and device supports them, this cable can do it all. And it is also built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy, and the cable, liquid silicone. So you can pull, bend, twist, and of course,
Oh my God!
nothing is going to happen to these. We also throw in this nice carry bag. There are 2 colors, 2 lengths, and if you like it, when you purchase 2 of these, you can get up to another 20% off. So click the yellow card and purchase it now.